Hello everyone. In this video tutorial, we will see how to use Y113 Translator Earbuds. So, let's dive right in. First, take the earbuds out of the charging case and make sure they're fully charged. Then, open your phone's Bluetooth settings and connect to Y113. Once paired, you're all set. Next, head to the Google Play Store or Apple App Store and download the companion translation app. After installing, choose the two languages you'd like to translate between, like English and Spanish, or maybe Urdu and Chinese. Now, place one earbud in your ear and hand the other to the person you're speaking with. As soon as you talk, your words are instantly translated into their language. When they reply, the translation comes straight to your ear, clear, fast, and effortless. These earbuds aren't just for translation. You can also use them to listen to music, take calls, or watch videos, just like regular wireless earbuds. And there you have it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.